A long time ago, in Armenia, under the sacred mountain of Ararat, people baked a dessert delicacy made out of flour, honey, milk, and nuts. Because of its taste and longevity, they dubbed it the honey miracle. In 1995, Gevorg Avetissian came to the Czech Republic from Armenia and settled with his entire family at the foot of the Beskedy Mountains in Frýdek Místek. He asked God to show him the right and proper way to support his family, and promised him that if he helped, he would have the cross at the church of St. Jost in Frýdek restored. And then one day, not long afterwards, he remembered the miracle, the honey miracle, the old Armenian family honey cake recipe, and, together with his sister, began to bake it. At first only for friends, but he soon began to offer it to local sweet shops and cafes. It didn't take long for this honey delight to become very popular. The demand for it grew until his home could no longer handle the capacity. In 2002, the Armenian siblings established the Czech firm Miko International, with its head office in Frýdek Místek. The company only had 4 employees in 2003, but continued to grow dynamically year after year, aiming to become the leader among the producers of desserts in the Czech Republic. Within 5 years, there were nearly 200 employees working around the clock in the firm. Only the best ingredients, always carefully chosen, are used in making this honey delicacy. Marlenka contains no artificial preservatives. The only natural preservative used is the highest quality honey produced by private beekeepers in and around the Beskedy. The body of the cake consists of 5 layers of smooth dough baked until golden brown. The flavor of this honey cake comes from a milk and honey cream mixture that holds the individual layers together. A secret family procedure is used for making the cream. Roasted nuts and honey give the cake its heavenly aroma. Thanks to its ingredients, it is the only cake in the Czech Republic that carries the designation of a natural product. This smooth, sweet-smelling cake was named Marlenka, after the mother and daughter of the owner. Production capacity continues to grow as Marlenka cakes become ever more popular among customers. In the beginning, monthly production was somewhere in the hundreds. Today, it exceeds 100,000 cakes a month. In order to satisfy the growing demands of our customers, and at the same time increase hygienic standards while not losing the magic of a homemade product, we decided to invest in modernizing our operations. In April 2008, the cornerstone was laid for a future high-capacity production hall in the industrial zone of Liskovec, on the edge of Frýdek Místek. Not even a year passed between laying the cornerstone and turning over the newly constructed factory. For the region, this means one of the largest investments in industry since 2000. The new factory covers an area of 4,000 square meters, including the production hall with a fully automated baking, finishing, and packaging line, spaces for our handmade products, and, of course, our administrative section. We commissioned specialists from Holland to construct this unique production line. Design and implementation was carried out by Frank Wolters and his team. Built at a cost of 170 million crowns, the line meets the tough, prescribed standards for food hygiene and has led to a 7-fold increase in work productivity. The line produces both of our main products, the classic Marlenka cake and its no less popular chocolate counterpart. The sweet aroma of the baking part of the line fills the entire hall, where enough dough is baked to make 4 cakes at a time. The finishing line comes next, where cream is applied to the cake layers, which are then placed on top of one another, and finally the entire cake is garnished with crumb toppings, nuts, and chocolate icing. The cakes are then perfectly preserved on the packaging line, where they are packed in a controlled atmosphere. The entire length of the line is 80 meters. The smooth operation of the line is overseen by 10 to 15 well-trained employees. The arrival of modern technology doesn't mean that human labor has disappeared from our operations. The production line has allowed us to shift personnel to the division for developing new delicacies. In addition to classic Marlenka, we also bake a Marlenka holiday cake and another delicacy, morengo, a light dessert made from honey dough, cream, and sugary foam. We also make other desserts based on traditional family recipes. We constantly seek to improve the choice of our ingredients, to fine-tune our production process so that our Marlenka cake best represents the traditional Armenian recipe it's based on and likewise conforms to modern conditions. We carry out regular tests and certifications for our products. Marlenka cake has received the Klasa National designation for quality, as well as several awards and certificates for longevity. Imagine, with its singular taste and aroma, Marlenka can last at least 30 days at room temperature. Word about its flavor and longevity has spread beyond the borders of the Czech Republic. At present, our products can be enjoyed by people in another 14 countries of the European Union. The new dynamic in its growing market is the United States of America. "2009 has been a key year for our company, Miko International. We smoothly transferred our operations to a new modern facility. We fine-tuned the taste and aromatic properties of Marlenka cake on the automated line. It's even more delightful than it was before. We have increased the production capacity of our cake, expanded our assortment of products, and increased the level of hygienic measures. Whatever we set our mind to, we do it. And the cross at the Church of St. Jost has already been gold-plated. Don't believe us? Go have a look for yourselves.